Now, currently we're locked in our single view of the scene, but if you want to change the view, then you can press the middle mouse button and hold it down and move it around to get a different angle of your scene. Alternatively, if you do not have a mouse or you don't have a middle mouse button, you can click the gray area of the trackball on the top right hand corner of the screen and click and drag that around. The trackball also has directional keys or directional arrows for X, Y, and Z. So these give you the side view, the front view, and the top view of your model, but in orthographic form. You can just move out of it by changing the direction. And to get the hotkeys, those are on the numpad 1, 3, and 7. So these are not the normal 1, 3, and 7, but the specific numpad 1, 3, and 7. To pan your view, you can click the middle mouse button and shift, and then you can pan around. Note you do have to hold both of them down at the same time. To do this without a middle mouse button, you can click the hand arrow on the top right hand side right under the trackball direction keys. In order to zoom, you can scroll the middle mouse button. If you do not have a middle mouse button, then you can use the hour or the magnifying glass icon right above the hand icon. And to get a smooth zoom with a mouse, you can use Control and then pull up or pull down the middle mouse button. So hold down and then move it. Now, just as we had these orthographic views for the directional keys, we also have a button to go into orthographic view itself. This allows us to see the model from a infinite focal distance. This is good if you want to select specific parts that are in parallel lines between them. Now, right next to these views that we have on the top right, just a bit to the right of it, we have the outliner. So this is the outliner of the project. It is almost like a folder structure or a hierarchical structure where you can select different parts of your scene specifically, or you can click and hide objects with the eye icon on the right of each of them. You can even do this for the collections which act as folders in this hierarchical structure. Right below this structure we have the specific details for each of the selected models. Do note that depending on what object is currently selected, these options on the bottom of the outliner do change and are based around it.